Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the form of a doctor. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, the public celebration of Ganesh festival was popularized by whom and when during the Indian freedom struggle? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. On this spiritual occasion of Ganesh festival, we will be posting videos on how to draw Lord Ganesh in different professions to indicate the various values and spirit Lord Ganesh bestows through various professions. So this is the first sketch of the series, A Doctor. Before we start, let us know about Ganesh festival, which starts today. Ganesh festival, also known as Ganesh Chaturthi, is a Hindu festival celebrating the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom, prosperity and new beginnings. It typically lasts for 10 days, starting on the 4th day of the Hindu month Bhadrapada. The festival involves the installation of Ganesha idols in homes and public places, followed by prayers, cultural events and offerings. Lord Ganesh has the head of an elephant, so let's start with the head. Next, draw the torso. We are drawing Lord Ganesh in the form of a doctor, so draw the costume accordingly. After that, draw the pants and shoes. Next, begin with the details of the character like the stethoscope. Draw a syringe in the left hand of our character. The reason behind presenting Lord Ganesha as a doctor could symbolize the divine healing power of wisdom, where Ganesha not only removes obstacles but also nurtures both physical and spiritual well-being, guiding us toward a balanced and healthy life. Now to finish the sketch, draw the details of the face. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with coloring. To make sure the color doesn't get out of the outline, fill the color around the outline first carefully. Then you can fill the color in between, which will prevent the color from spilling. We have a similar sketch of Lord Ganesh in the getup of an artist. Don't forget to check it out. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match a sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a glorious sketch of Lord Ganesh as a doctor. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1983 transformed the private household celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi into a large community-based festival. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.